Where does the name for Ffynnongroyw come from? So today I'm in Ffynnongroyw. It's a small town on the coast of Flintshire, just past Ffynnongroyw. The name for Ffynnongroyw is made of two parts. First we have ffynnon, which means a fountain or a spring. In Brythonic, the ancestor language to Welsh, that word was fonton, and that was borrowed from Latin fontana, meaning a fountain or a spring. And then we have the word groyw, which means clean or pure. So literally the town name means the clean or pure springs. Now this town was a mining town. It grew up largely being a home to the coal miners who worked in the colliery just north of here at the Point of Ayr. So where is the pure spring? Well, it's here at the back of town. So literally it means the pure spring. Anyway, diolch, thank you, subscribe for more, give us a like, give us a share, and if you want to help me on my quest, on my pilgrimage to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.